Mealtime. I'm going to apologize in advance. My G harmonica got held up at customs, so if a big FedEx package comes through the door with one harmonica in it, bring it straight to the stage. Let's get going here. Look out, mama, there's a white boat coming up the river with a big red beacon and a flag and a man on the rail. I think you better call John, 'cause it don't look like they're here to deliver the mail. And it's less than a mile away. I hope they didn't come to stay. It's got the numbers on the side and a gun, and it's making big waves. Daddy's gone, my brother's out hunting in the mountains. Big John's been drinking since the river took Emmylou. So the powers that be left me here to do all the thinking. And I just turned 22. I was wondering what to do. And the closer they got, the more those feelings grew. Where the harmonica would have been. Imagine a cool key of G harmonica solo. Oh, it's sweet, isn't it? Got to see. Daddy's rifle in my hand felt reassuring. He told me red means run, son, numbers add up to nothing. But when that first shot hit the dock, I saw it coming. Raised the rifle to mine, never stopped to wonder why. Then I saw black in my face flash in the sky. Shelter me from the powder around the finger. Cover me with the thought that pulled the trigger. Just think of me as one you never figured to fade away so young, with so much left undone. So remember me to my love, I know I'll miss her. Streets up here. Another man's harmonica. It's like smoking the same cigarette. All right. That out loud. Got an extra show. I call that the powder finger.